Hello, I'm attorney David M. Chester from the Chester Law Group, an Ohio wrongful death law firm. Today, we're here to discuss what is a wrongful death claim in Ohio. I begin our discussion about wrongful death claims by discussing what exactly wrongful death claims are. Now, perhaps you're familiar with the term wrongful death. A wrongful death claim is an injury claim, usually brought by a family member on behalf of the family for the emotional pain and suffering the family has suffered because of the death of their loved one. Now, it is called wrongful death because the other party did something wrong to the deceased to cause him or her to die. Now, the family member who brings the claim for other family members is called the executor if a will exists, or a personal representative if there is no will. The family members who have been injured are called beneficiaries of the wrongful death claim. Now, the personal representative represents the financial interests of the beneficiaries, the other family members. Now, a wrongful death claim should not be confused with a survivor claim. A survivor claim is a claim brought on behalf of the deceased family member for the pain or suffering the deceased may have suffered before they died. Now, this claim includes pain, suffering, lost wages, medical expenses, and these damages are an asset of the estate and are distributed according to the will, or if no will, an Ohio law called the Probate Code Intestacy Statute. The wrongful death claim, in contrast, does not belong to the estate, but it is brought by the executor if a will exists, or personal representative if no will exists, for the benefit of the beneficiaries, and damages are paid directly to the family member beneficiaries. Now, the survivor claim arises when the deceased person knew they were about to die, or they suffered after the accident, but before they died. Now, I know these legal terms are confusing, as the wrongful death claim belongs to those family members who did not die, and the survivor claim is an asset of the estate of the deceased family member who did not survive. It's odd but true. These terms have little meaning to the average person, but it's important to at least be familiar with them. They do lead us into a discussion of the types of claims that must be investigated and potentially brought after the death of a loved one. If you've lost a loved one to someone else's carelessness, I urge you to order my free book entitled Losing Someone You Love, An Ohio Family's Guide to Wrongful Death. You can get the free book by calling 1-800-218-4243 or visiting my video website www.chesterlaw.com.